are discussing, consider the polynomial fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c. If f of 0 is 0 and f of 2 is 2, then minimum value of integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx is. So this we have to solve. Now solution. What is given? Fx equal to what? Ax square plus bx plus c. F of 0 is what? 0 and f of 2 is what? 2. With the help of 0 and 2, these two equations, what we can find out? If I put x value 0 here, so f of 0 equal to what? A into 0. So what will come here? C only, and this will come 0. So c value is what? 0. And if I put 2 here, so f of 2 equal to what? 4a plus 2b. Okay, and c value is what? 0. So this is equal to 2. So what will come? 2a plus b equal to 2. Then if I put b value here, b value is what? 2 minus 2a. So this one will become fx equal to what? Ax square plus 2 minus 2a into x plus 0. So what is f dash x? 2ax plus 2 minus 2a. F dash x we got this one. So without knowing a, we can't remove modulus because we don't know f dash x is positive or negative in the interval 0 to 2. Correct? Because here we can't find out a value. Without knowing a value, we can't remove modulus. And if we can't remove modulus, then we can't integrate also. Then what you have to do? So for solving this one, only one method is that is property. That is property. So this problem we can solve by using property only. There is no other method. So what property we have to use here? So we know integration a to b fx dx. This one whole modulus is always less than or equal to integration a to b. Okay, so this modulus we will take fx modulus. So modulus of fx dx. So this property we will use. So here what we have? Integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx. So what we have? Integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx. So according to property, what we can say, this is greater than or equal to integration of 0 to 2 f dash x dx, and outside we will take modulus. So this one we can solve. So what will come here? Modulus of this one, integration what will come? Fx, limit is what? 0 to 2. F dash x integration what? Fx, limit is 0 to 2, and this is less than or equal to integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx. So this will come what? Modulus of, if you put upper value, so f of 2 minus f of 0 modulus is less than equal to integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx. So what is f of 2? So f of 2 is what? 2, and f of 0 is what? 0. So this will come what? 2 minus 0 is less than equal to integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx. So this will come 2. So what we can say? 2 is less than or equal to integration 0 to 2 modulus of f dash x dx. So we can say this one minimum value is what? 2. So minimum value is what? 2. So here what will come? Answer is 2.